asiben honest wengane zakwethu. Mangakhi ama dialogue, talk shows and talk shops over the past 2 decades about the challenges that South Africans are facing in South Africa, in their country. Mangakhi abafundileyo bakithi kukangaki behlangana behambela ama conference bekhuluma bediscussa into abayibiza nge-way forward. Angasho futhi into abayibiza nge-way forward. Bediscussa inkinga ezibhekene ne-South Africa nama-South Africans in general. Mangakhi amaphepha abebhalwa ngoba phela thina eSouth Africa sibusisiwe, i-level yokufunda eSouth Africa iphezulu, noma ama-graduate maningi kakhulu. Ingakho kunodokotela abangaqashiwe, ingakho kuno-nurse abangaqashiwe, ingakho kunothisha abangaqashiwe. Kukhona lonke uhlobo. I-labor market cannot absorb ama-graduate ase-South Africa. Kukangaki kukhulunywa ngalokho. And ngeshwa, it's about us, without us. Abantu ababizwayo kuze kubizwe zishiwe zala eSouth Africa, kubizwe ifundiswa zasemazweni angaphandle, zibuza ukuthi why kubizwe zona ziyekwe ezethu zala, zincane ezala ezibizwayo. Uma kuthiwa kunalezi inkulumo, abantu bazodiscussa ngathi, bazodiscussa inkinga zethu, bashiye emazweni abo aneyinkinga, bazodiscussa thina South Africa. Bafundile and bazibanikezwa ama-position kuma-institutions nakuma-universities ethu ase-South Africa. Zikhona, we have got PhD holders, PhD graduates eSouth Africa. Kodwa baya overlookwa bona, kukashwe abantu bangaphandle. And bese labo bantu bangaphandle bezoba izazi ngeenkinga zethu sama South Africans. Do you think they care about us? Do you think they have got the best interest of South Africans? No, they don't. And it's deliberate ukuthi abaqashwa abakithi kulama institutions, they've been overlooked. And yet, uma ngababantu, the ordinary South Africans, besukuma emva kweminyaka, belokhu bethi siyacela, mase besukuma be emgwaqweni. And njengamanje, for over a year, ama-South Africans have been marching, besubmita ama-memorandum ku-government wethu. Nothing has been happening. Kunalokho, kuze kusetshenziswe manje abakwethu to discredit ama-South Africans ukuthi amashelani. Ama-South Africans abengakabatarget abantu bangaphandle. No. Ama-South Africans have been marching to our government to raise these issues ebevele eziraiser. Abengakaqala ukutargeta, bamane babangumsindo nje. Bengakaqala lokho. Bekuse ku second step. Esokuqala ngithi kade kwenziwa kukhulunywa. Esesibili kwase kuthiwa siphumele emgwaqweni, sitshengisa ukuthi we are not happy. Esesithathu siyalandela. And ugovernment uthule ngamabomu engasho lutho. Because vele instruction uyithatha from outside our country to suppress ama-South Africans. Ingakho iqale yahlekwa lento yemashi kwathiwa suka bazokhathala labantu. Abantu nje abayibhorekele abangasebenzi. But as intensifier i-momentum ikhula, kuyabonakala ukuthi angeke ize yehle lento kunokuthi yehle iyanyuka. So what are they saying now? Bazama ukuyidiscredita ngokuthi bathi it's vigilantism, it's xenophobia. That also is not gonna work.